All right, what's up, guys? Welcome back to another amazing video. Thank you so much for watching. On this video, I'm going to be talking about Xenify. They sent out a tweet a few hours ago, and they said about the Ethereum airdrop. By the way, go follow me on Twitter. It is CryptoAudiKing. The link will be down below in the description. Let's hang out. Let's talk. Let's see what you have to say. If you are a Zen community member, or if you want to join my Telegram chat, it is also going to be down below. They sent out this tweet and it got people pretty hyped, man. I'm going to show you guys how to be eligible, the requirements, step-by-step guide and everything. I'll be showing you throughout the whole video. So at the end, if you enjoyed, make sure you do me a favor, click the like button. If you're new to the channel, make sure you click the subscribe button. It means the world. We are growing. We're almost at 9,000 subscribers. And trust me, there's going to be content every single day consistently. At least I'm going to try my best to. So far, it's been working pretty good, and I'm going to continue working very hard for you guys. Now, let's get into their website. So if you don't know their website, it is Xenify.io. I'm on their swap page, which you got to be so on here. And they are pretty much under the Arbitrum network. If you're wondering how to get your hands onto some VZen, I'll show you here real quick. If you are curious, if you don't know how to do it, I'll show you, all right? So you do need some Zen under any of the chains that are out there. I will stick with Polygon simply because it's cheaper to do for the video itself, and the gas is just cheaper. And let me show you also got to be very careful because some of the tokens on here, them pools and that slippage and that liquidity is pretty, if it's very fragile. Like literally it moves up and down, and you got to be cautious about how much you're going to be swapping in exchange to how much you're going to be getting. I just want to point that out there. Now, the first thing you want to do is, of course, get your hands on some Zen. The top one, the send on, is the network that your wallet on your MetaMask is going to be connected to. On this instance, it's going to be Polygon. Now, if I don't have any Zen on Polygon, then I would be selecting just the regular MATIC. Actually, I'm going to do it here for you guys. And so in order for you to get some Zen on your wallet for the next step, you do have to select both of them to be in the Polygon network. Now, the first one is going to be MATIC because that's what you're going to be swapping it to. And then you select the Zen under MATIC. You select how much you want to do. In this example, I'm just going to do one MATIC, which is going to be converted into 781 million of these coins. You will then select the aggregator, which it shows right here on the top, on the bottom right side. I stick with the max return right here. That's just, in my opinion, that makes sense, right? The next step you got to make sure and be aware of is the gas, which it shows on the little top corner in the middle right here. And it says 4 cents for me to be able to make this happen. 1 cent, 2 cents, it just varies, right? The next step I want to see is how many coins would be the best outcome. So 781 seems to be the best one with just 4 cents extra. So on that's going to happen under the Kyber swap. So since that one's having some issues, I'm going to go ahead and move on to the next one. I'm just going to select the XY Finance, click swap and confirm it. That way the transaction will pop up right there. I don't know why Kyber swap was having some issues. But that's going to bring it up here shortly. I do have enough for fees. Oh, shoot. Well, I accidentally clicked confirm. So it's all good. I wanted to adjust the gas fee cheaper, but it's all good. I'm not too worried about it. So now I'm going to have some MATIC Zen under my wallet in just literally a few seconds. Sometimes it takes a minute or two, but you will end up getting it. Once that happens, you will need to go onto the top corner now that you have some MATIC Zen. Select that one. Make sure you are under the Polygon network on your MetaMask. And then the second step is to be under Arbitrum on the receive end. And then you need to select the token of VZen, which is Zen under Arbitrum, which is Xenify, right? And now you go to the select aggregator, which I select the max return possible. Keep in mind, like I said, this is where the gas is very important. One of them is going to be about $1.22. The other one's going to be $2.70. Now, how much I'm going to be getting will depend on how much I'm willing to do. Of course, right? So now I'm going to do, let's just say, I don't even know how much I want to do. I'm just going to do 5 billion, I guess. Let's see. 5 billion of these will get me about, the best one out there is 56 million VZen by the looks of it. Yeah. But the gas, look at the gas. It's a big difference. $7.28 is on the gas. The other one is 9 cents and then $2.70. But if you wait just a few, I have seen it happen too. This will most likely drop. You got to keep an eye out on the gas. You don't want to just click the best one and click a $7 gas fee. That's a little bit pricey. Now, the next one's 9 cents. It seems like this one would be the best outcome. This gas fee will eventually drop down. I think I saw it as low as like $1. You know, if it goes right now to $1, I'd probably go ahead and select it and get me them extra coins. But 9 cents sounds about right to me. So 9 cents will be able to give me 32 million VZen by the looks of it. So I'm going to go ahead and click me some swap via, it's going to swap it via XY Finance. What you have to keep in mind is that this MATIC Zen is pretty much going to be getting burned, right? It's going to go away. So confirm it. Now I'm going to be getting about 31.2 million VZen. And you also have to keep in mind, man, you got to be very careful about that slippage. So 0.1 MATIC for the fee. I'm going to go ahead and select confirm. After a few seconds, that will eventually go through. Again, if you want to do like MATIC under Binance, make sure the top one is Binance Network, and you have to select B Zen in order for you to do this. But the bottom ones will eventually pretty much stay Arbitrum for you to be able to get the V Zen. So after a few minutes, man, this is going to go through, and in my wallet will be the tokens that I purchased, or at least I swapped. That way you guys can understand how to do this, how it works all together. I can also click the favorite buttons, and it will pretty much save it onto my end. That way I can have it on there faster and get to it faster. This is an overall really great page. It's simple. It's easy to do. You know, it's something that gets you interacting into the Zen ecosystem. There's going to be future airdrops from my understanding, like for the one that's coming up. So let's see. This one's still pending, but like it says, 5 to 7 minutes. That's pretty much how it works and how to get your hands onto some VZen. You can literally select multiple of these, man. You can do Optimism Zen, which I think that one's like the top one so far that people are burning, and it's creating very low supply of Zen on Optimism, and that price is going to shoot up like crazy for Zen for Optimism. Polygon, Optimism, Avalanche, Phantom, all of them, you can do them, man, and just easily swap it to VZen. It is crazy how good Xenify is doing X and F, man. I'm very proud of the community. I'm very proud of the project itself. The token price is still looking really good, just above $5, and in my opinion, it's going to continue to go up. I do have the page on here for the Ethereum Airdrop event. It literally just dropped about 8 hours ago, but it's about a 10-minute read. I will leave this one down below in the description for you guys. That way you can read it on your own, understand it on your own, and just pretty much do your own research. Now, the main things that I need to point out that's going to happen is that if you want to be eligible and do this, this will start on December 14th. That's the main thing, okay? If you have money set aside for this, don't start until the 14th. That way you're still eligible and do all that stuff. So this will run for 75 days. It will be a burn to earn event, and it's just a really great launch for the Ethereum side. During this event, the participants can earn a really good airdrop of up to 2.25 million XNF under Ethereum. They will be burning XNF or BXNF. That's really good, man. That's going to create some really big positive upside moves for the token itself in the next coming days, especially the day of and heading on forward. There will be daily slice of up to 30,000 Ethereum XNF throughout the whole entire event. And the cherry on top, unlike the previous swap to earn events, this burn to earn event offers a double treat. Participants will not only secure an allocation for the XNF under Ethereum, but also instantly pocket their XNF V upon burning. So that's really good. It's a double. That's amazing, man. This project continues to just push out some really great stuff out there. There's a bunch of stuff on here that you will require to like read, but I'm not going to point it out there for this video. I don't want to get you guys too bored and click away. So that's just the main thing. There's going to be a burn feature, of course, on here. The burn your X and F rewards, you're gonna have to head to the website, connect your wallet, and burn your stash of X and F, which if you don't have any, you can easily just swap it, and the rewards are effortlessly with the click of just the burn button. So it's literally just 1-2 steps and you're good to go. It'll show you a step-by-step guide about how to do it. Like for example, Arbitrum, if you pay attention, on the top side, it says the Arbitrum network for the X and F. You'll be swapping it to the V, X, and F. Oh, you can do 1 token of each, which is $5 about the current price right now. You can burn X and F from your wallet. You see there's a free to choose where to, you're free to choose where to receive your V, X, and F among the 9 supported chains. Of course, if you want to select the cheapest ones with the gas fees, that's totally up to you. Then just keep that in mind. If you want to do this on multiple wallets, that's perfectly fine. I don't see anything about limitations. How you can track your airdrop is simply monitoring your EXNF airdrop allocation is a breeze. They'll have some steps about how to navigate to the top right corner of the page. There'll probably most likely be like an airdrop eligibility criteria, like this, literally. So that's a really good thing to have overall, man. Like the way they are doing stuff is amazing. This right here shows about like how everything's going to be divided into. Over the next 730 days, they'll gradually be freeing themselves, unlocking into your wallet with each new block. And they're going to start breaking it down. If you secure 25,000 XNS from the airdrop, you'll be able to claim the full 25,000 in your wallet to the start of the first daily cycle, 1 to 2 hours post development. So they have this really, really well planned. There's also bonuses, the airdrop EXNF versus the daily minted EXNF, unraveling the difference. During the airdrop event, no EXNF tokens will be minted because the EXNF token contract will only be deployed after the event concludes. Airdrop EXNF, the 2.2 million EXNF airdrop tokens will be distributed as locked tokens at the end of the event. These airdrop tokens are entirely separate from the 21 million XNF allocation for the daily mint. I didn't know that, actually. I'm glad I read that. So a bunch of stuff on here for you guys to read. Just know you just got to mint and burn and swap for you to be eligible. Just keep in mind that date of December 14th. Something to be keeping an eye out in case it does really, really good. There's a lot of potential out here, especially for the new big boy in town, the Xenify. Just something I really want you guys to know and be informed about, and I hope I did a good job in doing so. So if I did, make sure you click the like button. But guys, that's how you do majority of the stuff on the Xenify website. Hopefully you guys understood and enjoyed, and yeah, let's get that airdrop, boys. So thank you so much for watching. I'll be seeing you guys in the next video. Take it easy. I'm out. Peace.